Before you begin, be sure your car is parked safely and turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other components nearby. The air filter for the 2.5-liter Toyota Highlander Hybrid is simple and straightforward to change and can be done in less than 5 minutes. No tools are required. To remove the old filter, you can locate the main filter box at the driver's side front of the engine bay just behind the radiator. To open, simply pop the 2 clips located at the top rear of the box. The box is secured at the front by 2 tabs that can slide out by working the box rearward and upward. Once you've gained enough clearance, simply lift the air filter element up and out. To replace the filter, just reverse the order of removal. Take care not to damage the new filter while sliding it into the tight space. Make sure you seated the filter well and the edges aren't pinched in any way before you insert the 2 tabs at the front of the air box into place and begin to close it up. Once it's all seated, secure the 2 latches at the top and you're done.